Are you looking for a company formation in Cambodia? My name is Anne and I will explain how to register a legal entity in Cambodia. But remember, B2B Hub can take responsibility and register a company for you. Advantages of business in Cambodia. Low cost. The cost of setting up a business in Cambodia is relatively low compared to other countries in the region. This makes it an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to start a business on a budget. Favorable tax regime. Cambodia has a favorable tax regime with the corporate tax rates as low as 10%. This makes it an attractive option for businesses looking to maximize their profits. Strategic location. Cambodia is strategically located in the heart of Southeast Asia, making it an ideal base for businesses looking to expand into the region. Favorable investment climate. The Cambodian government has taken steps to make the country more attractive to foreign investors, including the introduction of a range of incentives and tax breaks. Skilled labor force. Cambodia has a large pool of skilled and educated labor, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to outsource or hire locally. How to register a company in Cambodia? Choose a company name. The first step in registering a company in Cambodia is to choose a company name. The name must be unique and not already registered with the Ministry of Commerce. Prepare documents. The next step is to prepare the necessary documents for registration. These include a copy of the company's Articles of Association, a copy of the company's Memorandum of Association, a copy of the company's business plan, and a copy of the company's Certificate of Incorporation. Register with the Ministry of Commerce. The company must then register with the Ministry of Commerce. This is done by submitting the necessary documents and paying the required fees. Obtain a business license. Once the company has been registered with the Ministry of Commerce, it must obtain a business license. This is done by submitting the necessary documents and paying the required fees. Open a bank account. The company must then open a bank account in order to receive payments and manage its finances. Register with the tax department. The company must then register with the tax department in order to pay taxes. This is done by submitting the necessary documents and paying the required fees. Obtain a work permit. If the company plans to hire foreign employees, it must obtain a work permit for each employee. This is done by submitting the necessary documents and paying the required fees. Register with the Social Security Fund. The company must then register with the Social Security Fund in order to provide benefits to its employees. This is done by submitting the necessary documents and paying the required fees. The company must then register with the Labor Department in order to comply with labor laws. This is done by submitting the necessary documents and paying the required fees. B2B Hub completely covers the process from documents preparation to stamp printing. Usually, registration takes approximately 2-3 weeks. The taxation system in Cambodia is based on a progressive tax rate system, with the highest rate of taxation being 20%. The taxation system is divided into 3 categories: direct taxes, indirect taxes, and other taxes. Direct taxes include income tax, corporate tax, and capital gains tax. Income tax is the main direct tax in Cambodia, and it is based on the individual's income. The rate of income tax is progressive, with the highest rate being 20%. Corporate tax is levied on the profits of companies, and the rate is 20%. Capital gains tax is levied on the sale of assets, and the rate is 10%. Indirect taxes include value-added tax, VAT, excise tax, and customs duties. VAT is the main indirect tax in Cambodia, and it is levied on the sale of goods and services. The rate of VAT is 10%. Excise tax is levied on certain goods, such as cigarettes and alcohol, and the rate is 10%. Custom duties are levied on imported goods, and the rate is 10%. Other taxes include stamp duty, property tax, and environmental taxes. Stamp duty is levied on certain documents such as contracts and deeds, and the rate is 0.1%. Property tax is levied on the ownership of land and buildings, and the rate is 0.1%. Environmental taxes are levied on activities that cause environmental damage, and the rate is 0.1%. You can apply conveniently for you by sending an email through messengers, our social networks, from our websites, or by phone. In case you have any extra questions, don't hesitate to contact us 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can find out more information about offshore, onshore, or midshore zones during a personal consultation with our manager. All information and contact details you can find below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to be informed about all the interesting news and details in the fintech world.